Related story, Presidential Advisor on Poverty Alleviation Secretary Larry Gadon welcomes the appointment of Senator Sonny Angara as the next Education Secretary. Senator Nancy Binay, a co-member of the so-called Solid 7 of the Senate, congratulates Angara as well. Henry Nicolas reports.
Office of the Presidential Advisor on Poverty Alleviation Secretary Larry Gadon on Tuesday said the upcoming appointment of Senator Sonny Angara as a Secretary of the Department of Education or DepEd is a welcome addition for the cabinet of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. In a statement, Gadon congratulated Angara for his appointment and hoping to help to further increase the program for International Student Assessment or PISA ratings. He also hopes that he can contribute a lot to the improvement of our human resources development by leading the education sector in a new and better direction. According to him, education is a major key to alleviating poverty, so he is happy that through Angara, there is a person who is really capable of carrying out reforms in the education system in the country.
Kailangan natin ang isang kagaya ni Secretary Sonny Angara sa education sapagkat kailangan nating maiangat ang rating ng ang PISA rating ng Pilipinas upang lalo nating mapaganda ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa.
Meanwhile, Senator Nancy Binay was happy with the appointment of Angara, who said that she is also with him not only in the Senate but also in their group called Solid 7 in the Senate. With the new secretary's experience, she believes that he will preserve the education system and maintain his position.
Napakalaki ng problema ng edukasyon ngayon, and Sen Sonny Angara for me is the best person. Talagang naging bahagi siya ng EDCOM na alam natin ngayon tinatalakay yung problema at solusyon dun sa problema natin sa education. So walang magiging learning curve si Senator Sonny Angara as a DepEd Secretary.
The newly appointed Secretary of the Department will face challenges in education system, including recent PISA ratings, where the overall performance of students in the country should be improved. This includes national recovery in English, math, science, and reading. Angara will start working in his new position after Vice President Sara Duterte's term in the department ends on July 19. This is Henry Nicolas for Euro TV News.